Good afternoon, this is Kavi Priya, Assistant Professor, EC Department, SNS College of Technology. I'm going to discuss about the topic Design Thinking Approach on MRI Technology and Electromagnetic Fields. This is my flow of presentation. I'm going to start with introduction and what is design thinking, what are the 5 stages of design thinking, how this 5 stages of design thinking is applied on this MRI and electromagnetic field topic, and what is the role of electromagnetic fields, and finally the conclusion. First, what is this MRI? MRI, which we have discussed in the last video. MRI is a magnetic resonance imaging which is used to provide a fine detailed, it is a medical imaging technology which is used to provide a detailed image of the human body part, through which the doctors can easily diagnose the diseases. The radiation in case of this MRI is very less when compared to X-rays and so on. So which is capable of providing a high resolution image of a human body. So when we apply this design thinking framework to this MRI and electromagnetic fields, what are the changes that can be incorporated further? That is what we are going to discuss in this topic. First, what is a design thinking? It is a process of understanding the needs of the user. It has 5 stages over here. First one is empathy, second one define, and third one ideate, fourth one is prototype, and final 5th stage is a testing. So we are going to apply all these 5 stages in this MRI and MRI technology and electromagnetic field, and we are going to see how far we can provide the more better results, more better imaging systems, which is more patient-centric, safer and efficient. First one is an empathize. Empathize is nothing but understanding the needs of the user. So which is the first and foremost step. So the patients will be facing a discomforts during this MRI. The main important thing is capable of producing a very loud noise, and the duration of this MRI is very long. The patient have to be remain still during the entire process. So that is a major important discomfort thing that has been happens during this MRI scan, and it is faced by the patients as well. Second thing is that as far radiologist and technician is concerned, they need a high accurate image for diagnosing the exact diseases. And hospitals is one which require a more cost effective and energy efficient MRI systems. Next one is define. Define is where we will be identifying what is the exact problem statement. So after gathering the insights during this empathy part, the key problem that is being defined is that how MRI system can use electromagnetic field to provide a more accurate medical imaging while improving the patient discomfort, by providing a comfort to the patient and reducing this patient discomfort and reducing the scanning time and maintaining the safety standards throughout the entire process. So the main challenges that has been discovered is that loud noise and the long imaging thing, and that is cost a lot, high operational cost as well. Ideating is that based on the problem statement, ideas will be generated. So the improving the communication system during the scans. First thing is that improving patient comfort is a foremost problem that has been discovered in the problem statement. So the patient communication systems can be used during the scans to improve the patient comfort zone. And second one is that loud noises get produced while taking this MRI. So to overcome that, sound dampening materials can be incorporated. Third is that long duration of scan. The entire patient has, during the entire scan, the patient has to be remain still without any movement. That is a problem that has been defined. AI assisted image, and the thing is that to provide a fast imaging, AI assisted image reconstruction can be used. AI support can be incorporated over there. And next one is a safety thing. Automated safety alerts can be used for technician purpose, and energy efficient superconducting magnets can be used, so sustainability can be increased. Next one is the prototype. Prototype is one where generating the solutions is being generated. So based on the ideas, the prototype is being designed and being tested in the next stage, and it check whether the user needs are being met. So selected ideas are transformed into the prototypes. For example, open MRI prototype. So wider board design is there and improved magnetic field distribution is there. Second thing is that smart MRI interface, touchscreen guidance system is provided, real-time scan progress is being displayed over there. Third one is AI based imaging software, reconstructs the images from few electromagnetic signals as well. So there is no need for long duration scanning. Final one is testing, evaluating the experience of the patient. So prototypes are tested with actual user. Patient experience patient experience is that anxiety levels before and after the scan has been tested. To test what is the performance of the particular system is being analyzed based on that, and the image resolution is being tested, and how far the scanning time is being reduced, that is being tested, and compliance with the electromagnetic exposure standards is being done to meet the safety standards as well. And what is the principle behind this MRI, which we have discussed in the last topic as well. First is MRI will be generating a powerful magnetic field, and the machine will be sending the radio frequency electromagnetic waves into the body. EM signals are directed by the receiver coils and processed by the computer to provide a more detailed medical imaging. The thing is that MRI is a more powerful tool, medical imaging technology, which is through this we can exactly discover what is the disease behind that, what is the disease, actual disease, and treatment can be provided. So it is the technical excellence is not alone sufficient. By applying this design thinking, we can provide a more patient-centered and safe and efficient and accessible systems can be designed based on this application of this design thinking to this MRI. And this is a summary what we have discussed so far, and these are all my references. Thank you.